हाय पिला माने मु बुद्धदेव आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची मो चैनल मास एजुकेशन वन रे आज आपण माने निश्चित थंबनेल देखि जानि पारुथिबे जहाँकि आमर रही टॉपिक एसे रही एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन 250 वार्ड रे जो पिला माने हम चैनल को नुआ आछंती से माने शीघ्र शीघ्र सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु एवं लाइक करंतु कमेंट करंतु आमर जो नुआ नुआ टॉपिक आसुची ता ऊपर आपण माने निश्चित देखि पारिबे। प्रथम रही एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन। Environmental pollution has a serious impact on both human and the environment. It affects air quality, water quality, soil fertility, and public health. Poor air quality affects the respiratory system, leading to respiratory illness like asthma and bronchitis. Water pollution can lead to the spread of diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Soil pollution can reduce crop yield, leading to food insecurity. Type of environmental pollution. Air. First, air pollution is the introduction of dangerous compounds into the atmosphere, which has a negative influence on the environment and humanity. Air pollution simply makes the air impure or contaminated. It happens when noxious gases, scents, dust of fumes and discharged into the air in concentration that endanger human and animal comfort of health or even kill plant life. Water. तापरे water रही कौन the act of contaminating water bodies such as rivers, oceans, lakes, streams, aquifer, and groundwater is known as water pollution. It happens when foreign dangerous substances such as chemicals, carbox, or polluted materials are released into bodies of water, either directly or indirectly. तापर रही land. When the quality of the earth's land surface in terms of use, landscape, and capacity to support life forms in compromise of destroyed. That is refers to as land pollution. It is frequently brought on the human activity and the misuse of land resource both directly and indirectly. Soil कौन रही chemical pollution can pollute soil of gases into degrade through activities like mining, clearing, vegetation, or topsoil erosion. Typically, it occurs when human activity bring harmful chemicals, substance, or items into the soil. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is an unpleasant sound of a sound that causes accruing ear pain. Noise pollution is described as unpleasant and unwanted sound waves that causes significant destroy to all living being. It is measured in decibels. Factors of responsible for environmental pollution. Environmental pollution has a variety of causes. One of the most prominent is a burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas by power plants, factories, and automobile. This produces large amount of carbon dioxide, which is a major contributor to global climate change. Other sources of environmental pollution include agriculture practices such as over fertilization and the use of pesticide, and industrial process such as mining, manufacturing, and waste disposal. What can we do? The prevent environmental pollution, we must reduce the emission of various pollutants. We can do this by switching to renewable source of energy like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. We should reduce our reliance of fossil fuels and use of efficient transportation method. We should also reduce the emission of harmful industrial chemicals and practices sustainable agriculture. Additionally, we should accuse public awareness of environmental pollution and its impact and promote eco-friendly lifestyles. By understanding the causes and effect of environmental pollution, we can work towards preventing and it is ensuring a cleaner, healthier environment for all. Awareness and knowledge are essential in the regard as it helps us to become more conscious and informed citizens. It helps us understand the importance of protecting and preserving the environments and makes us more responsible citizens. The world is facing and ever growing through the pollution which it left unchecked will have catastrophic consequences. Education and taking a conscious action plan can play a key role in helping the reducing environmental pollution.